Here's a pair of the Btootos A90 Pro Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. Just FYI, the iPhone that I'm using is an iPhone 16e. So the first thing is, let's put this in pairing mode. Okay, so let's grab these earbuds. Let's take it out of the case. Take it out of the case, and then you want to look at up here, this little dot. Now, if it's in pairing mode, you'll know because one of them is they'll both be blinking white, but one will be blinking fast, the other will be blinking slow. I'm not getting any lights on here, and the reason why I'm not getting any lights is because I'm actually connected to another phone. I'm connected to this phone, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, okay? So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I have to go to the phone that I'm connected to, right here, and then I can go to Settings, Connections, and then I'm going to go to my Bluetooth here. So you can see this connected, it's paired here, okay? So what I can do to put this in pairing mode, I can either turn off Bluetooth, or I can click on the information here and I can unpair or delete it, or I can disconnect. If I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode. Now, I can also reset these to put these in pairing mode, all right? Now, let me just do this, okay? So let me just go ahead, and what I'm gonna do is just turn off my Bluetooth. And as soon as I turn it off, look at the earbuds, okay? I'm gonna turn it off. Look at the earbuds. Oh, just wait. Okay, so we get a fast white light blink and a slow white light here. Okay, so it's in pairing mode. So let's shoot over to our iPhone, go to Settings. You wanna go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Oops. Make sure it's toggled on. This little spinny thing next to devices is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. These are still in the pairing mode. It did find the A90 Pro. Let's tap on that. Voila, we're connected, ready to go. There you go. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area.